Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. So December 2024 Monetary Policy Committee have announced the changes in the monetary policies. What are the major changes? If someone says you nothing is a change, repo rate is same, so we are unable to see any major changes, tell them about to watch this session, and after this session you will get to know, oh my god, so many changes made by the Reserve Bank of India in this monetary policy update. One more important thing is Mr. Shaktikanta Das, the current Governor of Reserve Bank of India, his tenure is getting over on 10th of December. So, in the monetary policy, it was an expectation that maybe it will be announced by the government during the monetary policy that Shaktikanta Das sir is going to continue for third tenure or not. His second tenure is going to complete. So, on the Friday, there was no announcement regarding his tenure will be extended or not. So, by 10th only we'll get to know Mr. Shaktikanta Das is going to continue as the governor or not. I'll be moving into the every and important changes which are there in the monetary policy, like agriculture lending limit without collateral have been updated. Means अब किसानों को लोन कितना दिया जा सकता है without collateral, उसका लिमिट भी अपडेट हुआ है आपका. Mall hunter related there is a one important news, and most important there is a change in the CRR after a long duration. बहुत बड़े गैप के बाद CRR में चेंजेस हुए हैं, कैश रिजर्व रेशियो में चेंजेस हुए हैं. क्या चेंजेस उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज गाइस, UBI LBO interview batch is live. If you have written the UBI LBO written examination and you are confident that you are going to attend the interview, to join the batch and prepare well, because in this particular batch we are going to give you the complete idea regarding the preparation, regarding the mock interview. You will be able to attend 2 mock interview in the regional language. In the regional language option, we are giving you the list of regional languages are there, because LBO interview will be conducted mostly in the combination of English and regional language, as similar to that recently Indian Bank LBO interview was conducted. Similarly, our IBPSP interview batch is also live with 3 mock interview. You can check the details. I'm moving toward the topic. Welcome to Guidely. If you're watching the session for the first time, you will be able to get the similar type of update in the upcoming days on the same platform, so do subscribe the channel. Coming over the topic, that is first major update is in the maintenance of CRR, cash reserve ratio. Till now CRR is 4.5%. RBI decreased CRR to 4%. What is the meaning of CRR? What will be the impact of it? I'll discuss everything in the session. Just I'm telling you highlight first of all. So, after assessing the current and evolving macroeconomic situation, Monetary Policy Committee on 6th of December decided to keep the repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Repo rate unchanged means in the lending rate, your home loan, car loan, personal loan, education loan, these rate of interest are going to be same. If RBI decreases the repo rate, there was a chance that all the banks would decrease their lending rate. If RBI increases it, then bank also increases their lending rate. But now the lending rates are going to be same. Lending rate में कोई भी changes नहीं होंगे. This is what the meaning of no changes in the repo rate. So repo rate is the rate of interest at which banks are able to borrow short-term loan from Reserve Bank of India. That is what the meaning of repo rate. So if the repo rate was same, then SDF was also not changed. Standing deposit facility at SDF, banks are allowed to deposit money in Reserve Bank of India on the higher rate of interest, a 6.25% rate of interest, while another rate is MSF, marginal standing facility. On MSF, banks are allowed to borrow short-term loan, very emergency fund loan, overnight loan from the Reserve Bank of India at 6.75% rate of interest. तो आपके जो lending rates हैं उसमें changes नहीं हुए, but apart from that also there are major changes which we will be able to see. MPC also decide to keep neutral monetary policy in stance. Last time NPCI made in the October month, NPCI made the change from withdrawal of accommodation to neutral. Neutral means now RBI will be ready to take the decision. If required to increase the rate of interest, RBI will do that. If required to decrease the rate of interest, RBI will do that. Anytime in the upcoming future, we will be able to see either increment or decrement in the repo rate. That is what the meaning of neutral stance. Now, RBI kept the same target of inflation, managing at 4 plus minus 2%. So, RBI is trying to manage the inflation around 4, maximum 6, minimum 2% in the tolerance range of Reserve Bank of India. Now, change. RBI real GDP growth rate prediction 2024-25 predicted at 6.6%. Last time it was 7.2%. याद है 7.2% का प्रेडिक्शन था रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का, तो बड़ा चेंज है. 6.6% is the prediction for the complete financial year with quarter 4 at 6.8, quarter 3 at 6.8, quarter 4 at 7.2%. So quarter 3 means your October, November, December quarter, that is 6.8, and Jan, Feb and March quarter 7.2%. Overall the complete financial year it will be 6.6% prediction. That is what the major change in the GDP prediction by the Reserve Bank of India. Apart from that, CPI inflation rate for the complete year predicted at 4.8%. This is important for the examination. So prediction of inflation rate is 4.8. It is also increased. It was 4.5 previously. According to RBI, inflation rate, CPI inflation rate was 4.5 for complete year. Now it is 4.8. तो ध्यान दोगे, इन्फ्लेशन का प्रोडिक्शन आरबीआई ने इंक्रीज कर दिया है और जीडीपी प्रोडिक्शन आरबीआई ने डिक्रीज किया है. डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन है फॉर द इकोनॉमी. ठीक है, आगे मूव करें. Maintenance of CRR. What is the meaning of CRR? Certain percentage of total deposit of bank required to deposit with Reserve Bank of India. So for example, RBI, for example, one bank accepted 100 rupee from जनरल पब्लिक. एक बैंक ने 100 रुपए जो है, बैंक ने 100 रुपए जनरल पब्लिक से लिए. मैं 100 रुपीज ले रहा हूं, सिर्फ एग्जांपल. सो बैंक एक्सेप्टेड 100 रुपी फ्रॉम पब्लिक. On this 100 rupee, bank required to maintain CRR, SLR both. CRR was 4.5%. CRR था आपका 4.5% और SLR था आपका 18%. SLR 18%. So CRR banks are required to maintain with RBI. ये 4.5% बैंक को RBI के साथ मेंटेन करना होता है and 18% in their own deposit in the form of government security, cash, gold, bonds, in these form. And CRR is 4.5% of the deposit with RBI in the form of cash. It means 4.5 rupee on 100 rupee बैंक को डायरेक्टली आरबीआई के पास डिपॉजिट करना होता है और एंड ऑन दिस डिपॉजिट आरबीआई डज नॉट पे एनी इंटरेस्ट. इफ सीआरआर इंक्रीजेस, लिक्विडिटी इन द मार्केट डिक्रीजेस. इफ सीआरआर डिक्रीजेस, liquidity in the market increases. Bank will have more liquidity to lend in the market. It may increase the liquidity proportion in the market and decrease the rate of interest. यहां से chances बनते हैं. It is a possibility when bank will have more liquidity, they will try to lend this money in the market at lower rate of interest. So RBI have announced decrement of CRR, which is going to increase the liquidity in the market. This is a step to further boost the GDP rate. GDP को predict, मतलब GDP को boost करने के लिए RBI का ये step है. Why RBI decreases CRR? So this is a step to further boost the GDP rates. 50 basis point means 0.5%. Previously it was 4.5. Now it will come down to 4%. 4.5 से कम होकर कितना हो जाएगा? 4% हो जाएगा. So RBI is doing it in the step by step manner. From 4.5 to 4.25% it will be done on 14th of December 2024. And again from 4.2% to 4% will be effective from 28th of December 2024. So step 1, step 2, or that is phase 1 and phase 2, in 2 phases RBI is going to decrease the CRR. CRR को RBI 2 phases में क्या करेगा? डिक्रीज करेगा. ठीक है. इसके बाद है एफपीआई, दैट इज फॉरेन पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, स्टूड एट $9.3 billion टिल नाउ फ्रॉम अप्रैल टिल दिसंबर. सो अप्रैल से दिसंबर तक कितना फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडिया में आया है? सो $9.3 billion is the investment received by India from April to December. Now these are the major changes for which I was talking about. Apart from CRR, there are also lots of major changes which you are able to see in the monetary policy. In the next 3 minutes, I'll complete the remaining part also. Okay, so keep the patience, and everything will create the question in all your upcoming examination. Especially if I am talking about the UBI LBO, this one, your UIICAO exam. Also, you can expect the question. UBI LBO interview you can expect question. After that IBPS PO interview you can expect question, and definitely SBI PO and SBI clerk means examination. expanding the reach of FX retail platform through linkage with the Bharat Connect. Remember, previously Bharat Connect was called Bharat Bill Payment System. Bharat Bill Payment System was reframed in the form of Bharat Connect to increase the more reach of the payment settlements in India. Now, FX retail platform, which is a platform of Reserve Bank of India, it is managed by Clearing Corporation of India. It was launched in the year 2019 for the currency conversion, currency trade, legal currency trade in India. That is called FX retail platform. This platform linked now with the Bharat Connect. Bharat Connect इसको link कर दिया गया है to increase more reach of, or it is making for a middle class person also that if you want to trade or invest in the foreign currency, now you can make the investment with the support of Bharat Connect. Why? FX retail platform will be available over Bharat Connect now. If you remember who is the CEO of Bharat Connect, do write in the comment box. Comment box में लिखिएगा Bharat Connect के CEO कौन है, एक question. And Bheem, which was a part of NPCI previously, now Bheem is a subsidiary of NPCI. तो who is the CEO of Bheem? तो मैंने दो CEO के नाम पूछे हैं आपसे, एक है CEO of Bharat Connect and CEO of Bheem. Do write the names in the comment box. Next है Connect to Regulate, one more initiative, more important for the interview. Written में भी आ सकता है, but interview में directly पूछ लेगा. Recently, what is this Connect to Regulate in news? Connect to Regulate news में चल रहा है, क्या है ये? Connect to Regulate is an initiative of Reserve Bank of India under which RBI will take the input from general public, from bank, NBFC regarding the new rules or regulations which will be created by Reserve Bank of India in the upcoming future. फिर से समझ लीजिए, आरबीआई एक प्लेटफॉर्म ओपन कर रहा है जहां पर जनरल पब्लिक, बैंक, एनबीएफसी अपने इनपुट दे पाए कि इकोनॉमी के लिए, बैंकिंग सर्विसेज के लिए हमारा क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. अ टाइप ऑफ सजेशन बॉक्स, open suggestion box which will be available digitally will be called Connect to Regulate. This is the initiative of Reserve Bank of India. समझ में आ गया होगा I think. Then introduction of podcast facility. Apart from newspaper on the RBI website, to create awareness among the people, now RBI is going to use the podcast facility also. Podcast सब समझते हैं ना, very famous thing nowadays over the YouTube, over the radio channels. So podcast facility will be used by the Reserve Bank of India to increase the communication and to increase the awareness among the general public in India regarding the banking facilities, regarding the security features which we need to adopt while doing the transactions and all. So podcast facility will be additional. It will be an additional medium of communication that will be used by Reserve Bank of India. Collateral free agriculture loan limit, enhancement of limit. So till now, without any collateral, farmers were able to borrow the loan up to 1.6 lakh rupee. Previously, this limit was 1 lakh rupee. That was increased in the year 2019 from 1 lakh to 1.6 lakh. Now it has been further increased from 1.6 lakh to 2 lakh rupee. इसको increase करके RBI ने कितना कर दिया, 2 lakh rupee. So the farmer, those who are using KCC facility or borrowing agriculture loan, up to 2 lakh rupee loan they will be able to borrow. And upcoming year, next year, when you will be going for RRB PO interview, RRB PO mains examination, it is going to be one of the most important topic. एक क्वेश्चन ये फिक्स रहेगा अगली बार आरआरबी के लिए, ठीक है. तो 2 लाख रुपए लिमिट हो गया आपका किसका, एग्रीकल्चर कोलेट्रल फ्री लोन का. प्री सैंक्शन क्रेडिट लाइन थ्रू द यूपीआई एक्सटेंडिंग द स्कोप ऑफ स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक. Nowadays on the UPI platform, on the UPI application, you will be able to see one thing, credit line. Credit line means when your account balance is zero, still your bank is giving you a limit of 10,000, 20,000, up to that amount you can use it. It is a type of overdraft facility which is linked with the UPI. Till now, this facility was available only for the commercial banks. It was not available for RRB. It was not available for payment bank, small finance bank and RRB. So this credit line facility on UPI was available only for the commercial bank, but now this facility will be available to the small finance banks. So now this facility will be available in small finance banks in India. So small finance bank will be able to offer the credit line facility over UPI. बहुत simple तरीके से मैंने आपको explain कर दिया. After that, framework for the responsible ethical enablement of artificial intelligence, that is called free AI. इसको बोला जा रहा है free AI. एक क्वेश्चन तो फुल फॉर्म से ही बन जाएगा. Free AI in the financial sector, setting up a committee. So Reserve Bank of India is going to create a committee over free AI. What will be this free AI? That RBI wanted the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning in an ethical way in the financial sector. What will be the best ethical way in which the AI will be used in the financial sector, for which RBI is saying that we will create a committee. Currently it is called free AI. Full details will come in the upcoming days. RBI will issue a separate circular for this. So all of these details which are announced by Reserve Bank of India in the upcoming days, we are going to see the detailed framework on that. अभी detailed framework नहीं आया, अभी the initial announcement है, and based on initial announcement only we will be able to see the question. Another announcement which is made by Reserve Bank of India is Mull Hunter AIML. Mull Hunter AI, artificial intelligence, and this machine learning. So the use of AI for the Mull Hunter. Mull Hunter, few days before also I have discussed the same topic in my daily current affairs, that Mull accounts are the accounts which are used by the criminals in the market to transfer of, for basic requirement or basic use of money laundering. So the account, for example, there is an account on your name and you are not aware about it. By using your documents and all, few people open your account and they are using that account for the money laundering purpose. Such type of accounts are called Mull accounts. So Mull accounts are the accounts which are illegal, which are opened illegally, which are used for the illegal activities. So to identify such account, RBI is coming with the framework of Mull Hunter AI. So RBI is coming with Mull Hunter AI framework, AI and machine learning framework. This is another announcement which is made by Reserve Bank of India. RBI is working over the hackathon called Zero Financial Frauds. So focusing on it, on zero financial fraud, now RBI is coming with the Mull Hunter AI and machine learning. I hope all the statements are clear up to here. One last thing, Reserve Bank of India made a committee under the chairmanship of Ramnath Subramanian sir, that is R. Subramanian sir. So R. Subramanian sir will be the chairperson of the committee which will suggest the movement of money market instrument, that is interbank lending market instrument, from MIBOR to SORR. SORR is a interest rate. SORR is an interest rate which will be used between bank to bank lending purpose. It is based on the framework which is designed by the United States banking system. Till now we are using MIBOR, that is based on LIBOR. LIBOR is a financial system that is created by UK based financial system. So now you can understand that in the interest rate adoption in interbank lending, we are moving from UK to US. UK से US पे हम move कर रहे हैं for the financial transaction. Remaining for MIBOR and this MIBOR, LIBOR and SORR, I'll explain all of these in your paid classes also in the Hustle batch in depth. So currently policy rate आपका same है, then SDF same है, MSF same है, bank rate is same, fixed reverse repo is same. This is going to decrease from 4.5 to 4%. वो मैंने आपको already बता दिया. SLR is same 18%. I hope that all the updates you are able to get easily with the support of this particular session. Any question which will be created based on the monetary policy, if you have seen this particular session properly, you will be able to answer in your examination. For your interview, guys, you can join the batch. I'll be taking all these topics in depth, in detail, which each and every possible question for your interview within the batch. 3 mock interviews are available in your IBPSP interview batch. You can join it. In case you are unable to clear your means examination of IBPSPU and you bought the interview batch, कि आपने batch पहले ले लिया, result आपका means का बाद में आया, means आपने clear नहीं किया, उस case में we will refund your all money. आप classes attend करते रहिए, knowledge gain करते रहिए. In case, I wish it will not happen. मैं भी नहीं चाहता कि आपका मीन्स ना निकले, बट इन केस 1% प्रोबेबिलिटी अगर आपका मीन्स नहीं निकलता है, इन दैट केस वी विल रिफंड योर मनी. So all the best, guys. Start your preparation properly. Do like the session, share with your friends so they will also able to watch it and get updated with the monetary policy update. Thank you for watching this session. Keep watching. Guidely. Take care. Jai Hind.